Once you fish the wire through there, you clean this up. And then I didn't tighten this nut because this is where you put your ground. So right here is a ground. Stick that right there and then put that nut on. And like so. So, tighten it up. I put the little tit there sticking up because when you put the case back on, there's a little custom cutout you have to do. Let's see if I can get this just right here. And then I take these wires and I just tuck them back in behind there. There's nothing hot back there, so that's good. Then you're gonna take, after those wires are tucked in, and you're gonna turn this little guy around and you're gonna take the double stick tape and mount it right there. So one of the things that you need to have is some alcohol wipes. You want to wipe this surface with alcohol wipes so that if there's any grease or dirt on it, it will stick well. Get that nice and clean. Takes this little meter here, wipe the back side of it, blow on it gently, let it dry. And then you take this little fancy piece of double stick tape and you apply it to the meter here and then stick it in place. So I stuck the double stick tape on the back side of the meter. Half of the tape is really hard to get off. The adhesive release doesn't want to come off. So once you get it in position and you're happy with the way it looks, give it a firm little press. Hold it there for a few seconds. And you are done. So the wires are neatly tucked back here. Take this little guy and crimp this off. Gives it a little clean look. We tightened our ground wire right there to that. Double check these two, make sure you tightened them. Take a look at your work over here. Once you think you're all done, give it a little test fire, turn it on, choke on.